Wondering what copaiba essential oil is used for? In this video, I'm going to share with you some of the many uses of copaiba essential oil, how to use it, and some of the different essential oils it blends well with. I'm Mandy Summers, essential oil educator and enthusiast. Hit that subscribe button and click the bell so you can be notified every single time I upload a brand new video. I've been teaching about the power of essential oils for over 9 years now, and I'm really excited to share with you some of my favorite things about copaiba essential oil. Stick around to the end and I'm going to teach you how to grab my free essential oil usage guide with over 100 essential oils and their traditional uses. Before I jump into this video though, I would love to hear from you. Go ahead and drop in the comments below some of your favorite ways you like to use copaiba essential oil. I know that the big question on everyone's mind is, how do you say copaiba? After some extensive research, I have found that this oil can be pronounced two different ways. One is copaiba, so copaiba. Or the second way is copaiba. So I tend to go with the copaiba, and if you prefer to do the copaiba, go for it. Powerfully relaxing. Copaiba oil comes from the fragrant tropical tree native to South America. Copaiba oil can help soothe anxious feelings and support the cardiovascular, nervous, digestive, immune, and respiratory systems. So what is copaiba essential oil? The copaiba is a large towering tree that grows in the tropical rainforests in South America. For hundreds of years, traditional healers in northern Brazil have used copaiba trees for their health benefits. Copaiba oil is steam distilled from the resin of the tree. So what is copaiba essential oil used for? Copaiba can be used aromatically, topically, and internally, and can be applied to the skin neat. doTERRA's copaiba oil is sourced from Brazil from 4 different species of copaiba. By harnessing the benefits of the most potent copaiba species, a maximum potency essential oil is obtained. With a pleasant, spicy, woodsy aroma, copaiba oil can help calm emotions and soothe anxious feelings. It's a wonderful oil to turn to at the end of a very stressful day. You can add 2 drops of copaiba oil to water, tea, or juice to help support healthy cardiovascular, immune, digestive, nervous, and respiratory system. Copaiba oil provides antioxidant support when ingested. You can drop 1 to 2 drops of copaiba oil under the tongue as part of your daily health regimen. You can also add a drop of copaiba oil to your favorite facial moisturizer to help keep the skin clear and reduce the appearance of blemishes. Add a few drops to a diffuser for emotional support throughout the day, and for cardiovascular support, take internally alone or with frankincense. For digestive support at meal times, you can also pair copaiba with peppermint essential oil. Can copaiba essential oil be taken internally? Obviously, I've been talking about it up until this point, but copaiba oil has a plethora of benefits when taken internally. The main constituent of copaiba is beta-caryopyline, which also is present in black pepper essential oil and helps soothe anxious feelings. In addition to its emotional benefits, beta-caryopyline promotes healthy nervous, cardiovascular, and immune system function. The oil contains powerful antioxidants and boosts immune health. Copaiba oil is a well-loved oil because it relieves discomfort and promotes overall health, supporting people to feel and live their best life. Due to its beautifying effect on the skin, copaiba oil is widely used in cosmetics to promote a clear, smooth complexion. Copaiba oil may be combined with cedar wood and diluted with fractionated coconut oil and applied topically. So can you diffuse copaiba essential oil? Yes, diffusing and inhaling copaiba oil is deeply relaxing and soothing. You can check out my copaiba diffuser recipes right here and find some other great ways to use copaiba in your diffuser. Here are a few fun facts about copaiba. doTERRA works with the harvesters, many of whom live right along the Amazon River, who use a tree tapping method similar to how maple syrup is harvested and collected to collect the copaiba resin. The copaiba tree can live up to 400 years and grow to be more than 100 feet high. Copaiba blends well with black pepper, on guard, frankincense, rosemary, and past tense. Those are some of my favorite things about copaiba essential oil. So it's freebie time. I'm really excited to give you a chance to grab my free essential oil usage guide with many common uses and much more. Click the link in the description below and put your email in, and it will show up in your inbox shortly thereafter. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, hit that subscribe button, and click the bell so you can be notified every single time I upload a brand new video. Please reach out to me if you want to schedule a free wellness consultation, and if you would like to grab some essential oils at 25% off. Have a wonderful day. Bye.